Tajikistan, one of the toughest part of the trip. My friend Yeung joined me for this lake, but we got separated at the border for 24 hours before we even started. Then came the Pamir Highway, big mountains, worst road I've ever driven. Drove down to Wakhan Valley, right next to the river that separates Tajikistan and Afghanistan. The landscapes were wild. The roads were even worse. Across this very sketchy water crossing, towed a van out of the valley, then my clutch gave out. And so is my roof rack. They all cracked too. Found a welder in a little village, fixed what we could, and kept going. This place broke a few things, but it gave us stories we never forget.